Ayan po. Isang ano pa po yan. Ayan na lang, sige. Okay. Ang ating next game ay tatawagin natin over-under. Okay, paano mo ba siya lalagay? Ito lang kasimple. First player, kapag sinabi kong over, ipapasa pataas. Kapag abot ko, over, under. Over, under. Last player, iipin mo ang logo. Meron pa? Kuya, okay lang po yan. Ganyan po talaga. Okay. Tapos, last player, walk like a chick. Walk like a chick. Paano yan? Ready tayo ating play? 1, 2, 3, go. Walk like a chick. Walk like a chick. Walk like a chick. Iikot, iikot. Ikot, ikot. Babalik, babalik. Babalik. Si last player, magiging first player. Tapos, over, under, over, under. Last player, ipin ulit. Hanggang maging last player, si first player. At isa po ito. At tapos, kung sino po yung unang makakabalas, pupunta mo yung logo, sabay sigaw na, Happy birthday, Gabby. Okay? Ano na po? O sige, isip po kayo ng team name nyo. Okay, so boys. Anong team nyo? Team Pogi. Team Pogi. Okay, Team Ganda. Okay. Ready na tayo. Ready, happy change? Ayan. Ate nyo ka na. Okay, ready tayo, ready? Team Pogi at Team Ganda, the Johnny Dinasa are ready. Kaya set and over! Under! Magpabilisan po yan na over! Okay, last player. Walk like a chick, walk like a chick. Walk like a chick, walk like a chick, walk like a chick, walk like a chick. Bigo, 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 bigo. Okay, ready? Over! 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 Under! Over! Under, last player. Walk like a chick, walk like a chick. Walk like a chick, walk like a chick. Okay, bigo, bigo. It's over! Under! Over! Okay, last player. Walk like a chick, walk like a chick. Dito tayo. Doon, dito tayo doon. Magkaroon mo na yung dalawang girls. Inalay. Dito ka. Sige, dito ka. Alam dito ka. Gusto dito ka. And Daniel, dito ka. Ayun na yung first player, Daniel. First player ka. Okay, ngayon. Okay, so ito na yung ating next game. Ay tatawagin natin puzzle relay. Okay, paano mo siya lalaki? Simple lang to. Ang first player natin, Leah and Alex. Okay, kayo yung muna, tapos po, papunta dun sa harapan.